Hello dear students, I am Pratik sir, Mathematics faculty of class 8, Mount Litra, Z School, Jhansi. In this video, today I will explain you how to find the square root of the given numbers by long division method. So the first part is square root of 3249 by long division method. In this method, we make pairs from right to left side. Starting from the right side of the given number, we will make the pairs. So the very first pair from right is 49. After that, another pair when we move towards the left is 3 to 32. We have exactly two pairs. Now the first pair according to this number is 32. Now we have to find out a number which multiplies itself to give exactly 32 or less than 32. If we multiply by 5 5s are 25, we will get less than 32. Suppose if we multiply by 6 6s are 36, 36 becomes more than 32, which we will not be able to write because 32 में से 36 will not be subtracted. So 5s are 25, 32 minus 25 7. After that we will copy down the complete pair, another pair, that is 49. Along with this 7, it will become 749. Now in the next step below, whatever number comes here, whatever digit comes here, we make double of that number. 5 ka double is 10. We'll write 10. Suppose if would have come 4 here, तो 4 का double 8. Suppose if would have come 3 here, तो 3 का double 6. But here 5 has come, तो 5 का double 10. Now 749. See, the last digit is 9. Units digit is 9. 9 comes in the square of 3, or 9 comes at units place when we do square of 7. 7 ka square 49, 9 at units place. So if we write 3 here, 3 will be written here also. Suppose if 3 is written here, this number completely will become 103, and 103 multiplied by 3 will be less than 749. So if we write 7, this number completely will become 107, and 107 multiplied by 7, we will get exactly 749. 749 minus 749, we will be having remainder 0. So 57 is the square root of 3249. Another number having 3 digits, 576. Now see, this number is having 3 digits. Starting from the right, moving to the left, we have made one pair, that is 76. After making 76 as a pair, we are left with only single digit 5. So it is not possible to make a pair here. Only digit 5 is left. If you want, you can write 0 before 5. That will make a pair. Otherwise 5 will be known as a single digit pair only. So again same process, 2 2s are 4, which is less than 5. Suppose if we write 3 here, 3 3s are 9, 9 will be more than 5. So 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 1, 76. 2 ka double 4. If we write 4 here, तो 44, 4s are 176, exactly, remainder 0. 576 का square root is 24. Now decimal numbers, same process in making pairs. After decimal, 2 digits, 29, a complete pair. Before decimal is 7 alone. 2 2s are 4, 7 minus 4 3. After decimal, this pair will be copied down. So decimal here also. When this decimal के बाद pair will be copied down, we will put decimal here also. 2 का double 4 in the next step. Last digit is 9. We will try to multiply by 3. It will become 43. So 43 3s are, it will be very less than 329. So we will multiply by 7. This number will become 47. 47 7s are 329, remainder 0. So 2.7 is the square root of 7.29. Another 42.25. Before decimal, 42 is the pair, 6 6 are 36. 6 ka double 12 here. 42 minus 36, 6. Another pair 25. 6 ka double 12. Last digit is 5. If we write 5 here, this complete number will become 125. So if 5 is written here, the same digit is written here also at the quotient's place. 125 5s are exactly 625. On doing subtraction, 6 to 5 minus 6 to 5, remainder 0. So square root of 42.25 is 6.5 by long division method. Thank you.